how to use your Chase mobile application or how to simply freeze your debit card if you have an account on the Chase banking application. How you can simply freeze your debit card if it's lost or damaged. Now for this I'm going to show you some of the steps here, how you can fix or how you can simply freeze your lost or damaged card. Open the Chase app and tap on See Card on the home screen option here. As I don't have an account, I'm showing you the steps. Tap the freeze card option, choose what you want to freeze by tapping the relevant toggle. When you're ready to unfreeze, simply follow the steps again. So this is how you can freeze or unfreeze your card. Now the second step will be about replacing your card. Open the Chase app and tap on the card on the home page. Then tap on Manage Card option from there. Then tap on Replace Card or Card Details and follow the steps. Once you are done, we will send you a new card or instantly generate new card details. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.